All right, time for the unboxing. This is a package sent to me by my daughter, Lisa, who was kind enough to have a pendant made from some of the ashes of my younger brother, who Lisa was close to, and obviously so was I. So am I. So here we go. Oh, wow. Well, the box is beautiful. I was involved in making this box, which was 3D printed, I think by a friend, or I'll have to ask her her relationship to the 3D guy that printed this. But yeah, very beautiful. Very nice. And inside the box, oh jeez. Wow. It's attached to the box right now, but wow. That means a lot. This is this represents the Chumash sun, which is a symbol from my Chumash heritage, seen on cave wall petroglyphs in California. And there's a bit of Augie in the center of it. And I love it. Thank you, Lisa. And anyone else who was involved in making this happen, thank you. I'll be wearing this when I go to Santa Cruz Island in March. I'm going to spend the night on the island and scatter the rest of Augie's ashes there. Santa Cruz Island is our native homeland. It's where my great-grandfather was born. And it seems like a fitting final resting place. Thanks again. I love you, Lisa.